Today we are going to talk about what is Sarvam AI and how we can use it in our daily life. So let's see. To get Sarvam AI, you have to go on sarvam.ai, and to get on Indus AI, you have to search indus.sarvam.ai. So this is the main chatbot that is provided by Sarvam. As you can see, there is a prompt button where you can write anything and search for it. So as you can see, there is a response provided by Sarvam AI. Let's see if they have a thinking feature. So I have asked Sarvam AI if they have thinking capability, and they provided with the answer yes, they have, with reasoning capability as well. Do you have researching capabilities? So I have asked Sarvam AI if they have researching capabilities, and they provided yes, they do have researching capabilities. So let's see if they have connectivity on web or not. Provide me latest news. Oh, they have provided me with the latest news with citation, with proper citation. As you can see, this is very good feature, and I hope that Sarvam AI can compete ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok, Claude, and much more, because this is a sovereign AI made by Indians. So I wish they can beat everyone out in the market of India and international level as well. So this is a new chat option. From here you can start a new chat, and this is a voice input option. So let me just on it and check if they are providing any feature or not. Can you hear me? As you can see, they have captured it properly and provided me with a good response. I liked it. Apart from that, there is a search chat functionality as well. What is Sarvam? You can search your chats over there. Apart from that, there is a setting option from where you can change your basic info, like you're changing your name or changing appearance. I wish they can build a sovereign AI model which is much more better than ChatGPT and Gemini. If you loved this video, please do a like.